In this video, I'll show you how to make money on TikTok without showing your face. My name is Letitia, and if you're looking for a way to monetize your TikTok account but don't want to show your face, you're in the right place. The first thing that you can do is freelance UGC creation. The nice thing about this is that you don't have to show your face and you don't have to have your own following. When you create UGC, you basically are just creating videos for brands that they can post on their own profiles or use as ads. Here are some example videos. Number one reason why you need a Bissell spot clean. Yes, I'm about to do exactly what you think. Don't let this flop, TikTok. I'm literally sacrificing my couch for this. Let's see if we can get that stain out. My boyfriend will literally kill me if he sees this. Yay, it worked! If this is something that you're interested in doing, the next thing that you're going to want to do is find clients. You can find clients on Upwork, Instagram, Fiverr, TikTok, Indeed, or even LinkedIn. Creating UGC will allow you to either freelance, or you could even start your own UGC agency like Lauren Labeled or JT Barnett. Next way you can monetize your TikTok is by creating an Amazon Finds account. All you need to do is build a portfolio showcasing some of your favorite Amazon finds. Here are some example videos.
Amazon must-haves available in Canada. I'm so obsessed with these knobs. They come in a pack of 10, but as you can see, I've already used 6 of them. I'll show you what they look like on a dresser at the end. I was honestly so impressed with the quality of these, and I can't believe I got 10 for less than $20. These felt so luxurious, and they had such a nice weight to them. I was so excited to use them on my next project. And here's what they look like on my finished dresser. I'll link them in my bio.
If you're looking for content ideas or you want to learn more, use these hashtags to reach your ideal audience. You can use TikTok made me buy it, Amazon Finds. All you need to do is apply for an account on Amazon Associates to get your own affiliate links. Once you get your link, all you need to do is create a link in your bio that stores all of the affiliate links to the products that you talk about in your videos. I personally use Stan, and I'll add the link into the description if that's something that you want to check out. But there are definitely other free options. Here's some free link in bio options. We've got Campsite, Canva, Linktree, or Milkshake. You can add a link to your bio once you reach over 1,000 followers on TikTok. If you found value in this video so far, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. The next way that you can monetize your TikTok is with product reviews or affiliate marketing. You would review or compare products in a specific niche. This could be beauty, baby, tech gear, software, programs, home, stuff like that. Then you would sign up for affiliate programs. And I'm going to include a list of some affiliate programs that you can apply to here. If you're looking for other affiliate programs, try searching these on Google. Your niche, then affiliate programs. You could do the brand that you're looking for and affiliate programs. You could even do the name of an online course that you want to promote and then affiliate programs. The nice thing about this is that most of your favorite online courses will have their own affiliate programs. The next step is to add a link into your bio with all of the affiliate links to the products that you share. The fourth and final thing that you can do to make money on TikTok without showing your face is create digital products. You could create tutorials about how to do something and then screen record the process and then trim it down to a short form video that you can use on TikTok. You could share industry tips, motivational content, and even manifestation affirmations. Then all you would do is sell templates, online courses, ebooks, printables, digital planners. All of these things you can sell through your link in your bio. So today you've learned 4 different ways that you can monetize TikTok without showing your face. See you in the next video.